Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. My daughter has just finished reading a book called Brave New World by Aldous Huxley. It was first published back in 1932. So, the best part of 100 years ago. And it describes a future dystopia where we're kept passive and pliable through an abundance of entertainment mediums that offer instant gratification. Maybe this sounds familiar to you. My daughter said that the book still really speaks to her and her generation, and she felt that it had stood the test of time. If you say that something has stood the test of time, you basically mean that it's still popular and still has value and relevance today, even though it was first published or first came into existence a long time ago. So, for example, the music of the Beatles or the music of ABBA has obviously stood the test of time. Books like 1984 by George Orwell or Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury have obviously also stood the test of time. They seem very prophetic now. It's like they saw what was coming and managed to capture it quite early on. You can also say that a marriage has stood the test of time. Maybe your grandparents are celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary and their marriage has stood the test of time. Maybe you have an old cookbook and the recipes have stood the test of time because they still taste great today. And maybe thinkers from the past might still be very influential today because their ideas have stood the test of time. I guess the opposite would be something like the book's very dated now, or his music was very much of its time. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of things that you think have stood the test of time.